Welcome back to my channel, Nikki's Kitchen. Today we are going to be doing mashed potato, but this time with some greens. So I will augment it with some chili, palm oil, salt. That's it. So for the greens, normally we use pumpkin leaves, but I don't have it yet, so I'm going to be using already boiled green kale and 450 grams of fresh baby spinach for it to be green, and at the most 250 milliliter of palm oil, red palm oil. This less because I'm using a lot of green, so when you go high on the green side, you don't have to use that much. Or if you want, you go ahead and do that. So for now, what we are going to do is to slice this potato into two for it to cook quicker. So now that the potatoes are sliced to normal fast cooking sizes, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. I'm using German pink salt, but you can go ahead and put what you want. Again, water is very tricky in this recipe, not a lot, like that's it for the beginning. And because the two chili, so and let it cook. I'm kidding y'all. I'm not going to use this much chili. Like I love it hot, but not burning fire, volcano hot. So those four are going to be okay. It's actually only two big ones. So now the pot has been boiling for 15 minutes, and you can listen to the pot. Like this is very important and tricky on this recipe. It's almost no water in there. So normally you will go ahead and add some water, but here I'm going to add um, my vegetable, in this case already boiled kale, green kale is called. So I have to, and then lay my frozen spinach. You can see there's water here, so this is going to melt and give me the water I want to keep cooking. So and then we wait. So here's the deal. I still have, you can listen to that, some kind of moist sure going on there. But what I want it to, like, each time there's a water drop um on the bottom of the top that is like it should rizzle. So I haven't added anything. What we are going to be doing is to listen to the pot, and if our potato is already, it's about to, it's not yet, but it needs like 10 minutes. So I still have some frozenness here. I want it to be green, so you can see why I wanted to use the fresh spinach, or spinach, or what is it called. So let's just crush it a little bit so it's here, and give the whole thing 10 minutes more, and then we can mash it up with with this. So I'm just going to drag on one side. Sorry, I'm working with one hand, and then I'm going to remove it otherwise my non-stick pot is going to be harmed. So, et voila. Now let me clean this up. So we have too much water in here, so I'm going to open the pot, switch this on so it can evaporate, and let this palm oil warm up over here. So now our pot is whistling. I hope you can hear the noise. We are listening to that. So now I'm going to start firstly go where I know that my chili is and really mash that up. Yes, I've gotten the chilies. Oh, yes. And I go ahead and add my juiciness like African palm oil. That's the best. It's so, listen to that. The pot is singing. Who doesn't like singing food? People, I'm working with one hand. It's going to take a little bit longer. I need my left hand to hold the pot. I've already switched off, but there's a rest heat from the stove. So let me quickly, that was one chili. Let me quickly mash this up and come back. This is how it's going so far, but I still have a long way to go. A long mash up way to go. It's the combination salt, chili, or pepper, and vegetable palm oil. Simple and great. I think we are done. I can wait. This mashed potato, the real greatness happens one day after cooking it. That's why I did it this much. Like, and it is eaten with hands. Don't even try and come here with a fork or something. So that's the result. Vegan, vegetarian, everything. Like, I love it this way. Like, this light isn't doing justice. Let me go near the window. Like, look how much vegetable you have in there. Potatoes are low carb. Kale, green kale is just the healthiest thing ever. Even spinach. I know I could make it fancier, but I do real kitchen and I'm hungry. Like, this is a hobby. I'm doing it to share the greatness of Bantu Bamileke food. Et voila. Let us go back to bad lighting. Let's see. I can't wait. Like, this one in 2-3 days, I'm going to maybe freeze it. I haven't tried it before, but it might function. One never. Ooh, yeah, there you go. There you go. That's it. I have to quickly clean this and make sure I don't have any mashed potato in there. But it's the vegetable for me. It's the color for me. It's the taste. It's the simplicity. No meat, no cheese, only greatness. Thanks for watching, y'all. If I continue, maybe you think I'm in love with this food. I am in love with this. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if you've tried it and how it tastes, and would you cook it again? Or, anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget, good food is soul food.